With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is choose the incorrect food chain. Options given are grass, grasshopper, followed by frog, snake and eagle. Then phytoplankton, zooplankton, small fish, large fish. Diatom, zooplankton, small fish, and last option is grass, frog, vulture. So if we'll talk about any of the food chain it is one of the important functional unit of the ecosystem. Here energy is being transferred from one trophic level to the another trophic level. In general, if we'll talk about the food chain, in any of the food chain, it starts with the producers. Any food chain that starts with the producers. From producers, they make their own food. Then primary consumer, they rely on the producers for their own food and some energy that is being transferred from producer to primary consumer. And then there is a secondary consumer, then tertiary consumer, or depending upon the food chain, it may rise up to the quaternary consumer also, which feed on the tertiary consumer. So in any of the food chain, producers are mainly the plants or those organisms which can synthesize their own food. Any organism which can synthesize their own food like blue-green alga, diatom. So all these comes under the producers. Primary consumer, they mainly are the herbivores. Herbivores which feed on directly on the plants, that are the primary consumer. And secondary, tertiary, the rest all these are the carnivores. So which feed on the herbivores, these are the carnivores. So this is the general pattern of food chain that takes place. Now here we will see options one by one. First one is the grass. Any food chain starts with producer, grass is also producer, so this is correct. Grasshopper, that the grasshopper feed on the grass, that is grasshopper is a primary consumer, that is correct. Frog in turn feed on grasshopper, that form the secondary, and snake and eagle, they form the tertiary as well as the quaternary consumer. So this is very correct food chain starting with the producer and the consumer last. So we can say that this is incorrect because we have to choose incorrect food chain. Next is the phytoplankton. Phytoplanktons are the plants which live in the water. So this is one of the aquatic food chain. Phytoplanktons are producer, again correct. Then zooplankton which feed on the plants, that is herbivores, primary consumer. And then zooplankton that is being eaten by the small fish, that becomes secondary, and large fish become the tertiary consumer. Again very correct food chain. Third, we are having diatoms. Diatoms are also organisms which can synthesize their own food. They form the producer, that is correct. Zooplankton may feed on the diatoms, so they obtain their food from the diatoms. They turn the herbivores, that is correct. Small fish in turn feed on the zooplankton, that is also correct. Next, we are having the grass. Grass, that is correct. Grass is a producer, so that is correct. Frog. Now frog, that is not a primary consumer, that is the secondary consumer. Frog directly can't feed on the grass. Frog has to feed on the primary consumer. That primary consumer could be grasshopper or any other thing which can feed on the grass, because grass here represent the secondary consumer. So we can say that this is incorrect food chain because here primary consumer is missing. So that is a correct option. Option D is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.